Welcome to today's video. We're diving into the exciting world of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With its launch just 2 months away, there's a buzz that this could be one of the biggest S-series releases ever. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about these new models, from chip manufacturing issues to new color options and much more. Let's get started with an overview of what's coming up. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is creating a lot of excitement, with the launch set for just 2 months from now. Fans and tech enthusiasts are eagerly waiting to see what Samsung has in store. This release could mark a significant milestone in the S-series lineup, offering new features and innovations that promise to impress. This time, Samsung is expected to offer up to 4 models in the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Each model will cater to different needs and preferences, ensuring there's something for everyone. However, it's not all smooth sailing for Samsung. The company has faced setbacks with its plans for the Exynos chip, which could impact a variety of models available. One of the challenges facing the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is Samsung's 3nm chip yield, which is reportedly below 20%. This low yield rate is considered unacceptable for a flagship series like the S25. The chip manufacturing issues have raised concerns about the performance and availability of the new models. Samsung's ability to overcome this obstacle will be crucial for the success of the S25 Ultra. In light of these challenges, there are rumors that Samsung may collaborate with TSMC, its main rival in the chip market, to manufacture the Exynos chips. Such a partnership could help Samsung address the manufacturing issues and ensure that the Exynos chips meet the high standards expected for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This potential collaboration has sparked a lot of interest and speculation in the tech community. Despite the setbacks with the Exynos chip, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has shown impressive Geekbench 6 benchmark scores. These scores indicate that the new models will offer top-notch performance, which is a crucial factor for many users. The performance of the S25 Ultra is expected to set a new benchmark in the smartphone industry, further raising the bar for flagship devices. All Samsung Galaxy S25 models are expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip globally. This decision to use Snapdragon chips across all models is seen as a move to ensure consistent performance and reliability. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is known for its superior performance, and its inclusion in the S25 series is expected to enhance the overall user experience. The S25 Ultra will come in a vibrant color lineup, offering a variety of choices for consumers. In addition to the standard colors, there will be exclusive colors available online. This wide range of color options will allow users to choose a model that best reflects their personal style and preferences. In conclusion, the upcoming launch of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is generating a lot of buzz and excitement. With its impressive features, vibrant color options, and powerful performance, the S25 series is poised to make a significant impact. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.